Hi guys, today we are going to Golden, British Columbia, and we're gonna cover one more province in this video, which is British Columbia. And the Golden Skybridge is a hanging bridge which is situated high above the a canyon, and there are many visitors who come here. There's a lot of different activities to do there. We are about to get on the upper sky bridge. There are two sky bridges in the Golden Sky Bridge. One to go to the other side of the canyon, and the other one to go back to the side, to the main side of the canyon. On the other side of the canyon, there is many different kinds of things called like a roller coaster, the giant swing. And this sky bridge is very shaky, and and I got kind of nervous in the middle. There was a swing that said "Touch the Sky." We took some pictures with it. There were many different kinds of activities. We didn't do much, but we did go on the sky bridge. When we were going back to our hotel in Rocky Mountain House, we went through Jasper. And on the way back, we saw this lake called Abraham Lake. It looked really beautiful. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Keep on watching. Please subscribe and bye.